Hello! In this video I will set up the EPSON Ecotank L3200 series multifunctional CISS printer. I will cover the following. During unboxing in the previous video I have already removed all the blue tapes from the printer. And for more product information, check the review in the upper right corner of the screen. Now I scan the QR code on the manuals to download the EPSON Smart Panel app, which will guide me through the setup process. Follow the next steps to correctly set up the printer. After the initial steps, the printer is ready to take the inks. I will speed up the ink tank filling up process. It takes about a minute per bottle. After finishing filling up the inks, the initialization of the ink system for the first time will take about 11 minutes and must not be interrupted. Also, this part of the video I put into fast forward mode. After 11 minutes, the printer hardware setup is finished, and I will do the Wi-Fi setup in the separate video, in the upper right corner of the screen. In the next part I set some paper and make some copies. Paper can only be set to the rear tray. And I pull out the paper tray. First I do the monocopy. If you connect with Wi-Fi, you can copy via the menu on the Smart Panel app. More about that in the next video, and I do a color copy. To find more about speed on this printer, check the detailed speed video about this printer engine in the upper right corner of the screen. Also, do not forget to continue your setup with Wi-Fi connection. And this would be all in this video. Find more about printers in the playlist on my channel. Feel free to comment or ask questions, and do not forget to subscribe, as it helps me to grow my channel and I can create more videos about printers. Thank you for watching and sharing. Bye.